Boating and the sun go together like peanut butter and jelly. But what about when you want to break from the sun? Solution? A Bimini top. This is a SewLong Bimini top. It's very simple to set up. Here it is in the stored position. To deploy it, begin by undoing these straps and unzipping the boot. Remove it and store it away. Next, unwrap the Bimini top because it's wrapped around the frame. It's usually wrapped around the frame about 4 times. Now you're going to have to fold the frame forward. The easiest way to do this is to get up on the gunnel of the boat and just reach over and pull it over to the front of the boat. It can be done with one person, but having 2 people makes it pretty nice. Sometimes you need to adjust the corners of the fabric on the frame to make sure that the frame folds all the way forward. Now there's 2 pins, one in each side of the frame. These are for the support arms. Pull those out and then the support arm will drop down. Flex the Bimini top down and insert the pin through the support arm and into the bracket. This is probably the place that most people struggle with. A little tip that I'll give you is I take the pin and I insert it into the support arm, just barely, so that it doesn't go all the way through. This still allows the support arm to snug up to the bracket. I do this from the outside so that I can look through the holes and make sure the holes are lined up before I try to shove the pin all the way through. And then just grab the Bimini, flex it down a little bit, line up the holes, and shove the pin all the way through. Now this Bimini top is great to use. It has great coverage and it also has surf pockets in the top with heat reducing fabric to help keep those boards nice and safe. To take it down, you simply reverse the process. You pull each pin from the support arms, let those arms drop down, the Bimini top will flex up a little bit, and now you fold the support arms up, reinsert the pins to hold the support arms up. Now take the Bimini top frame and fold it backwards. There's this little tricky thing here. You have to push up on the Bimini top to get this hole to go up over the nav line. The Bimini top will then kind of fold down like this. Now take the fabric and wrap it around the Bimini top frame, making sure that it's nice and even and snug in all directions. Once it's wrapped about 3 to 4 times and looks snug and nice, you take the Bimini boot and zip it up. Then take these straps, wrap it around, and buckle them. And here's the Bimini in a stored position. This is how you want the Bimini stored while you're towing your boat. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.